And then, which dermatophyte most commonly causes tinea unguium? Palatandaan ko dito, kasi hadhad to, di ba? Ay, sorry, hadhad. Ano pala? Koko. Koko. Ah, so, yun. Anong other name ng tinea unguium mo? Letter O, it's? Yes. 6 and 13. A patient with chronic bronchitis undergoes, uh, sorry, 6 is metaplasia. And then 13, the primary lymphocyte is lymphocyte. Ay, acute, no? That's it. So which dermatophyte most commonly causes tinea unguium? And this is rubrum. So it's letter B. Okay. The cutaneous candidiasis is differentiated by from tinea by satellite pustules. Okay. So oral candidiasis is characterized by, syempre, it's different from leukoplakia. So leukoplakia, yeah, sorry. Oral oral leukoplakia is a hairy cell kind of leukoplakia. Parang cancer kasi siya, no? So hindi talaga siya, so between candida and then leukoplakia, parte na ng katawan mo ang leukoplakia. Ang candidiasis mo kasi nasa scrape off pa yan. So therefore, when you scrape it off, there's white patches easily scrape off, leaving a raw base. Okay. So pityriasis versicolor presents as pityriasis versicolor. Okay, hypopigmented flaky macules on trunk. So this is B. And which ectoparasite burrows in the stratum corneum? So this is for scabies. So letter C. And which lice are sexually transmitted? Siyempre, it's your pubic hair, no? It's your teres pubis. And then, which HPV causes cervical cancer? Anyone? Anong strain? Very, very good. It's for 16 and 18. Okay? 6 and 11, eh, ano genital warts? Batong lalamunan ko. So a 3-year-old presents with itchy vesicular rash starting on the trunk, then face, which fever, with fever. What will be the diagnosis? Of course, this is varicella. Ang measles class, ang manifestation ng rashes niya, nagsisimula sa mukha, pababa ng leeg, pababa ng katawan. But if the rash will start at the trunk, then face, then that's probably varicella. Pero hindi yan lagi nasusunod. Okay? Hindi yan lagi nasusunod. Minsan meron kang butlig sa kamay, sa leeg. Okay? It really depends on the presentation of the patient. But it's true enough that the lesion of varicella is vesicular, meaning pag tinutok mo, may tubig. Pero ano po yung kapag kumain ako tas nangati yung kamay ko parang merong mga bitlog-bitlig din na sabi eczema po ito sinasabi nila. That's mainly deshydrosis, hindi naman siya infectious. It's more like allergic reaction in origin. Okay? It's very rare that your vesicles will start on the fingertips. Usually sa mga broad area siya, sa trunk, sa kamay. Okay? The most common cause of bullous impetigo is the most common cause of bullous or use. Okay, furuncolosis differs from folliculitis in that uh, mas malala ang furuncolosis eh. Okay? Remember, folliculitis is an inflammation of your follicle. So pwede yan, Doc, pwede po ba magkaroon ng folliculitis sa ulo? Pwede. So yung mga pigsa sa ulo, that's folliculitis. Yung pigsa ngayon sa pubic hair, pwede yun. Lalo na ang pubic area. Kasi masyadong mainit, moist, it's very ample no, for the bacteria to thrive. But remember, you also have hairs on your skin. No, as small as they can see, as they can look, okay, that can still cause folliculitis. And then when you clump them together, you can have furuncle na tinatawag natin. So this is however, in furuncle, it's deeper than their pus-filled nodule. So which bacterial infection presents as a painful red swollen skin on legs, often with fever? Oh, madali na to. Siyempre, cellulitis, commonly seen in what type of patients? It is usually a comorbid of what? Diabetes mellitus. Diba? How do you differ cellulitis from uh, tophi? Tophi ba yun? Anong pinagkaiba nila? Wala? Tayo na. Sige, hindi ko na sabihin yung sagot. Okay? So the necrotizing fasciitis is considered an emergency because what? Because it causes toxin-mediated necrosis. Okay? So it's a toxin with, remember, it's not a bacteria. Diba flesh eating tinatawag nila? It's not a bacteria. It's the toxin. Okay? So it causes toxin-mediated necrosis needing debridement. Okay? So which pathogen is most associated with gas gangrene? Gas gangrene. So this will be your perfringens. So letter B. Hansen's disease or leprosy. I only mentioned one type of uh, mycobacterial infection. Remember, TB is still called as your Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Okay? Pero if it's ang TB, ang ketong, it's caused by your Mycobacterium leprae, also known as your Hansen's disease and leprosy. Doc, what if po si tuberculosis mapunta sa balat? Pwede ba yun? Yes, pwede yun. We call that the TB of the skin. I handle TB dots, no? So, ang dami ko pa nakikita, may TB of the scrotum pa, may TB of the ovary, may TB of the ileal TB. So they all present the same signs and symptoms as your pulmonary tuberculosis. So remember, your TB bacteria is not always pulmonary. Very common ito na kahit ang utak, pwede ka magka-TB in a form of TB meningitis. TB of the spine, that's Spot's disease. Okay? So yun lang, no? So all of your body parts can have TB. TB of the eye, pwede. No? So 35, sorry, Hansen's disease, So it's the skin and your peripheral nerves. And which pigment accumulation causes jaundice? Siyempre, is bilirubin. And in obstructive jaundice, which feature are expected? Obstructive jaundice, remember in obstructive jaundice, nag-produce ka ng B2. The goal there is itatapon yun sa intestine para ma-convert into urobilinogen and stercobilinogen and then urobilin and then stercobilin. Yan ang main kulay ng inyong ihe. Okay? Tsaka ng dumi. Therefore, kapag walang na-convert, walang kasing tumapon, you will have pale stools. Okay? You will have pale stools. Yung dark urine, sa renal ko na yan i-explain ko bakit dark urine. Okay? So remember, you have pale stools. 37, in obstructive jaundice, which features are expected? Sorry. Tama ba ako? Hindi din pala ito. Phototherapy in the neonates help because ano, it converts your bilirubin to soluble form. Hindi ko alam kung natatandaan ninyo sa KMTP1 that when you are transporting specimen, uh, which is for bilirubin assay, dapat naka-cover siya, remember? Dapat naka-cover siya kasi ayaw natin ng light. Wait lang. Okay? So, ayaw natin ng light because your light will actually oxidize bilirubin. So, a 26-year-old presents with erythematous plaques with severe scales on the elbows and knees. Of course, it's psoriasis. Urticaria is primarily mediated by histamine release. So this is B. Daming B. Okay? A 35-year-old man presents with severe leg pain after a car accident. The tibia has pierced the skin. So what type of accident is this? Nag-pierce ng skin. So therefore, it is actually compound based on the data given. Okay? Hindi naman sinabi itsura ng wound. Ang sabi ay tumagos lang sa kanyang skin. So that will be a compound fracture. So do you need an X-ray? Actually, kailangan mo pa rin ng X-ray kasi baka merong overlapping comminuted fracture, green stick fracture. But definitely there's fracture. Okay? And which early complication of a femoral shaft fracture is due to muscle swelling, compressing vessels and nerves? This is compartment syndrome. Compartment syndrome. Okay? In fracture healing, the formation of a soft callus usually occurs how many days? Nako, mahina ako dito, class. Anong sagot? Mahina ako sa days. Ginawa ko lang siyang quiz pero di ko makamatandaan. B. Okay, B. Sabi niyo So which joint is most commonly affected in gout? It's your first metatarsophalangeal. It's not metatarsocarpal. Hindi, sorry. It's not metacarpophalangeal. It's metatarsophalangeal. It's not MCP. It's MPP. Meaning tarso sa paa. Okay? Hindi siya yung sa kamay. So, acute case of gouty attacks, you can have swelling of your first metatarsophalangeal joints, usually seen in men, exacerbated by beer, controlled by febuxostat, but in acute cases, it is managed by colchicine 3 times a day for 1 week. Okay? Remember? Ganun na, sunod-sunod na. Converted your purines into uric acid by xanthine oxidase. Okay? Tapos anong sakit? Yung bata pa lang nag-accumulate siya na ng uric acid. Letter L, anong sakit? Is a inborn error of metabolism. Okay. Eh, wala pala. It's Lesch-Nyhan syndrome. Okay? Lesch-Nyhan syndrome, anong feature sa diaper? Kasi nalalaman lang natin sa ihi, sa diaper ng ano, anong, ano niya, sand, para may buhangin. Ng kulay. Okay. So, what drug provides acute relief? Again, so acute relief, so this will be ano ba? Colchicine. This is A. And which feature distinguishes osteoarthritis from rheumatoid arthritis? Okay. Actually, pain worse with activity rather than rest. Bouchard. Distal proximal. Bouchard nodes. Is it distal? Proximal. So this is PIT. Which gene is strongly associated with rheumatoid arthritis? Siyempre, it's DR4. Tapos, which microorganism is the most common cause of septic arthritis overall? Overall, it's Staph aureus. Okay. So, which osteoporosis type is linked to decreased estrogen? Okay, it's type 1. And which diagnostic scan is considered the gold standard for osteoporosis? It's your dual energy X-ray absorptiometry, your DEXA. DXA pero DEXA ang tawag ko dyan. Bakit? Wala lang, trip ko lang. Okay. 52, a 70-year-old man presents with sudden back pain. X-ray shows vertebral collapse. So, napaka-common. It's very pamigay na. It's your osteoporotic compression fracture. So, the answer is in the question itself. No? So, which organism is the most common cause of osteomyelitis? It's Staph aureus. May magdi-dispute ba sa sagot ko? Okay. So, which imaging study detects early medullary edema in the osteomyelitis? MRI. Alright. Sige. So, which hormone increases calcium release from bone and enhances kidney reabsorption? Isa lang naman ang sinabi kong hormone na involved sa ah ah ito, no? So, it's estrogen. Remember, calcitonin, PTH, and your cholecalciferol, which is vitamin D, the active form of your vitamin D, uh, they are more on the absorption. Okay? Hmm. Wait lang. Double check ko to sandali. Balik. Wala nga. Ang sabi, enhances kidney absorption. Absorption, it's not hindi, tama. Absorption, tama, okey. Tama, it's only estrogen, okey? Plus magkaiba ang reabsorption sa absorption, ha. Reabsorption is something that once na linabas na ng nephron mo, ng loops mo, ta's kinuha niya uli, okey, that's reabsorption, okey? So, yun. So, which hormone decreases bone resorption by inhibiting osteoclasts? Sorry, it's calcitonin. Baliktad. Talaga di nagsasalita. Ay, sorry. Sure ako na 56 ay calcitonin, tama ito. Ang hirap humugot sa memory. Which hormone increases calcium inhibiting osteoclasts? Enhances kidney absorption. This is parathyroid. Pero which hormone decreases bone resorption by inhibiting osteoclast? This is calcitonin. May sumagot ng estrogen. Napaka-vague kasi ng may sumagot ng estrogen. Tama na ba 'to, class? Tama ba? 55 ko ay C? C, parathyroid, yes. Parathyroid. Tapos yung hormone decreases bone resorption by inhibiting osteoclast. That's your 56 A 'to, calcitonin. Okay? So which test is used to check synovial fluid? So this is string test. And which crystal type is seen in pseudogout? Pseudogout, CPPD. Sir calcium pyrophosphate dihydrate. Which abnormal synovial cells is associated with rheumatoid arthritis? Of course, it's RA cell. And a synovial fluid glucose level more than 10 milligram per DL, lower than blood glucose suggests, this is septic. Bakit? Kasi your bacteria competes with your glucose stores. Okay? Remember, your agar is actually composed of carbohydrates. Sugar yung nandun, di ba? Fine-ferment nga niya. So, ibig sabihin, pagkain sa kanya yan. And also, that one. Plasma cell, 59. Hindi, di ba? Who answered writers, ano, RA cell? Mag-like. Ah, wait lang. RA cell, no? Plasma cell is actually a mature form of your B cell. Specialized siya. Okay? So it's still under humoral immunity. Okay? O, pa-screenshot. Ayun, siya na yun. Diyos ko, 45 minutes. Isang, ano pala niya? ano, okay na? Wait lang. Okay na? Okay. Screenshot. Okay na? Screenshot. Wala, bakit ganito to? Basta eh. Okay. Next. To be. Sa to be ba ito? To be. To be. Is this the
Sir,
17 po at
2A ata siya. Pero
OA?
sabi mo po, nagkapalit po yung part 2 po namin.
Hindi. Sino lang nagsagot nito? Hindi naman to continuation eh. Kanino set ito? 2A, 2B, 2C.
Sa 2A po, sir.
OA. Sige. Ano yan? 17 is B? Teka lang. O, alam ko nga pwede rin ito eh. So, dalawa yung sagot dito. Okay? So, 2A. What's the answer to this one? Teka lang. Wait lang. Okay. So, Roshola, you will match this one, Roshola with column 2 and column 3. So, 61, this is AE. 62, this is AC. And then varicella, this is C. Ay, sorry. Tama, C, VC. And then, for number 30, 64, this is letter D. Mamaya na yung mga ano ha. Babalikan ko. So, acute gingival stomatitis. Binonos ko to. Either the answer to 65 is A, B, or A, or B, or C, or E. But definitely that's not Kaposi sarcoma and that's not herpes zoster. Okay? 66. Sorry. That's 66 pala ito. But for 65, this is letter A. Okay? So smoking, pathologic. So this is yung ano muna, pathologic tong smoking. Menstruation is physiologic. Poliomyelitis is pathologic. Polio yan. Okay? Athlete's heart, hindi athlete's foot. Athlete's heart, it's actually a physiologic event. Okay? Pre-malignant surface, may malignant na nga eh, no? Pag tumali pa. No? So this is pathologic. So smoking is actually a form of metaplasia. So this is letter D. Menstruation is a form of hyperplasia. Endometrial hyperplasia to be exact. Poliomyelitis lumiliit, so this is atrophy. Athlete's heart lumalaki, so this is hypertrophy. So this is B. Pre-malignant cervix, this is letter E. Okay? And testimony, who would like to answer? Anyone? Test na rin natin to kung sino para kunwari nare-review kayo. Kasi ito ang, ba't kabisado nyo to? Nagagalit si Ma'am Red pag hindi nyo nakita. So this is the basic of all the bacteria. Ano ba to? Who would like to give a try? Vancomycin susceptible, sulfamethoxazole susceptible. Yes. Baka talagang gusto magsalita. Type na lang. Okay, sige, type na lang natin. So this is both. This is letter C. Kasi gaganto ko na lang sunod-sunod na lang po. Ay, ayan. Bacitracin susceptible, Optocin susceptible. Correct. That's A. Very good. Bacitracin resistant, Optocin resistant. Correct. Bridance. PYR positive, solubility positive. Ano ba? Neither. D. Tama. And most virulence, positive. Neufeld ka lang, positive. Okay. Right. Paano to? Ito yung medyo magulo, no? So, catalase positive and coagulase positive. What is this? A. Ito muna, ha? A. DNA is negative. Grasp pa 90, 91, 93, 95, 97, 99 ako. Okay. So, what is DNA is negative and novobiocin susceptible? Sabihin ko na nga lang para mabilis. It's B. Tama. Okay. And then your catalase positive, coagulase negative. That's AB. And then pink red on MSA, novobiocin susceptible. Pink red, dalawa kasi ang pink red mo. Okay? But the one that is novobiocin susceptible, that's B. Okay? Tapos endocarditis related, of course, it's D. No? Your Staphylococcus epidermidis. Yo. So A, B, A, B, B, B. Okay? What about novobiocin susceptible? It's E. Yellow on MSA. Yellow on MSA. Pero orange on BAP. It's E. Yellow in BAP. Okay, tatlo ang pwedeng naging usapan namin dito ng kabilang campus. It's A, C, A, or B. Okay, DNA is negative. That's AB. Okay, and that is epidermidis. Ayun nga, E, ah, teka lang yellow on MSA, orange on BAP. Ang sagot ko dyan, kaya yan A, kasi alam ko wala namang orange akong sinabi. Wait lang. Okay, meron. Yellow on MSA. Okay, yellow on MSA, pero orange on BAP. None of the above. Okay. Kasi ang ano yan, ang tawag dito, BAP ay creamy white yellow pag Staph aureus at si Staph aureus ay yellow on MSA. Okay? So actually yan, sagot ko, hindi pwede na ano, na magkahiwalay. Okay? So it's none of the above. And then, ang sagot ay DNA is negative, novobiocin resistant. That is letter C. Okay? Screenshot, screenshot, sorry, screenshot. Tika nga, i-ano ko naman. Oh, screenshot. Okay? Next. Wait lang. Set 2. Kanina to.
Sir,
Hmm?
yung number 67 po, wala pa pong sagot.
Ay, 67. Oo nga pala. Okay. Sagutan ko na lang mabilis So, primary protein deficiency, this is kwashiorkor. Sufficient calories, still kwashiorkor. Severe weight loss, payat, marasmus, edema, namamaga, kwashiorkor. Okay. Jaundice is a sign. Headache is a symptom. Cough is a sign. Difficulty of breathing and symptom. Then is a symptom. Okay. Okay. Ito, kanino to? Two. Ang dami kong windows na naka-open. Sandali lang. Kanino to questionnaire?
2C
Sir,
po.
2C.
yes po.
Okay. Perfect. Wala naman ano ang answers dito. Sige na, sasagutan ko na nga. Wala talaga hindi ko naman siya napunta. Sige, sagutan na lang natin. So, which statement best defines etiology? Uh, so, this is A. And which cause of cell injury is the best exemplified by frostbite? So, this is a physical agent. So, this is B. Sorry, physical agent. So, this is C. Okay. A chronic smoker's respiratory epithelium transformed into a blah blah. So, this is metaplasia. Okay. And a patient with tuberculosis develops granuloma, which type of necrosis? Again, this is Cassius, this is C. And which type of necrosis occurs in pancreas following acute pancreatitis? So this is fat necrosis, this is D. And which feature of unique to apoptosis compared to necrosis? Formation of apoptotic bodies. Mayroon pa bang ibang sagot dito? Kung meron ha, pakisabi na lang mga. So which vascular change is most characteristic of acute inflammation? Increased vascular permeability. Okay. And which leukocyte initiates acute inflammation? Again, paulit-ulit tayo dito. So this is neutrophil. And which is a possible outcome of acute inflammation? Abscess. Malakas. Abscess formation. This is B. And which type of cell can replicate only when stimulated? So this is a stable cell. And which type of cell is incapable of replication after injury? The permanent cell. So which of the growth factor primarily stimulates fibroblasts? Fibroblasts. So this is a platelet-derived growth factor. So PDGF. So this is A. So which best describes the immune system as a whole? The blah, 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 blah. Functional system with distributed cells and molecules. And which defense mechanism is classified as the second line of defense? Second line of defense. Second line. So skin is initial. There's phagocytosis ito. So which granulocyte is primarily involved in killing of parasites? So siyempre, eosinophil. So this is letter E. Number 16, NK cells target by inducing, my God, I forgot. Wait lang, by inducing apoptosis. Apoptosis talaga. No? So, which immune response is mediated by B cells? Immune response. So this is a humoral immunity. This is H. Which property makes adaptive immunity stronger? Siyempre, memory. Siya lang yung kaya mag-detect na, uy, parang nakita na kita before, no? So, kilala na kita, alam na kita kung paano kita patayin. Okay? The deposition of immune complexes in the vessel wall. This is fibrinoid. This is D. And which type of cytokines enhances inflammatory responses and activate lymphocytes? Hello? Parang nandito na yung sagot. Okay, cytokine, no? Is letter E. Tapos, which of the following defines dislocation? Displacement. Okay, it's D. And which factor does not affect MSK during urgency? Blood glucose level. To pwede siya, pero after na siguro mo, ma-stabilize yung pasyente. No? Hindi yung lahat ay todo ayos, pero ikaw as a medtech, nag-check ka bigla ng blood sugar. Okay, so hindi, so later investigate. That's important, but that will be, of course, not actually life-threatening. So first stage of fracture healing is hematoma inflammation. Which fracture is common in children? Green stick. Green stick. Green stick. C. Which feature distinguishes gout from cellulitis? Ito yung sinasabi ko kanina. Okay? Yung abscess pala yung sinasabi ko kanina. Sorry, class, Tagalog-halo na. Okay. cellulitis and gout, they almost present the same. However, in gout, in cellulitis, you have no restriction of your range of motion because the tissue involved is not your bones, not your joints, but rather the subcutaneous tissues only. Okay? So kidney complication of gout, hello, nandito na yung sagot. Siyempre, it's uric acid stones. Which also osteoarthritis supports, which OA symptom is typical? Pain worse with activity, better with rest. Which imaging feature supports OA? Tetanus to eh. Hindi, supports OA, osteophytes, and jointly pain. So this is A. Which joints are most affected in OA? Of course, we've said this. Yung pinaka-common ay yung tuhod. Saka yung likod. Kaya ano complain lagi ay masakit ng tuhod ko, masakit ng balakang ko. Sex bomb, sex bomb. Hindi, joke lang. So RA or rheumatoid arthritis is associated with which gene? DR4 again. So Panos in RA is actually an inflamed thick synovium. Gonococcal septic arthritis begins as migrating to the arthritis. Tama. Swing. And complications of septic arthritis. Tama. It's a vascular necrosis of the femoral head. So osteoporosis is type due to estrogen loss is like what? Gold standard in BMD. What's BMD? Bone mineral densitometry. Okay. So it's DEXA again. And which drug may cause osteoporosis? Steroids. Okay. An X-ray feature of osteoporosis. You have thin trabecula, trabeculae, and radiolucent bone. That's C. And best prevention for osteoporosis is your weight-bearing exercises. Iatrogenic osteomyelitis is caused by iatrogenic nga eh, meaning this is physician-induced. Di Pseudomonas to. So which property is unique to synovial fluid? Malagkit siya, malapot. No? So it's high viscosity due to hyaluronic acid. And tinnitus typically presents with non-scaring alopecia. Non-scarring pala. Scaring tuloy, parang hindi nakakatakot. Okay? So which dermatophyte infection presents with interdigital maceration? That's pedis. In which clinical flu is key to pityriasis versicolor? Hypopigmented or hyperpigmented cyclic patches. Which ectoparasite lives in clothes and feeds on the body? Sarcoptes cabeae. So which treatment failure cause is common in tuberculosis? Inadequate application of reinfestation. So which HPV strains are linked to cervical carcinoma? Of course, 16 and 18. And patient develops painful group vesicles on the lip Cluster herpes simplex, this is group letter A. So which stage comes first in HSV infection? HSV is very typical, basically blisters, herpes. Okay? And a child with chickenpox presents uh, rash and high fever. With congenital varicella syndrome. And vitiligo caused by S. aureus is typically also bolus. Furunculosis differs from folliculitis in that steeper. Carbuncles represent clusters or boils. Yes po.
Doc, sa 44 po, hindi po ba si Pediculus humanus corporis po yun?
44. Body pala. Okay. Carbuncles, a cluster of boils. So this is D. Which organism responsible for celiacs in adults? Adults. Necrotizing fasciitis is typically caused by group A, strep, monococcal. Sorry, monomicrobial. In jaundice, which pigment gives urine gives urine its yellow color? Siyempre, it's urobilinogen. Kung merong urobilin, yun talaga. Pero wala eh. So let's go for the other one, no? It's urobilinogen. So in prehepatic jaundice, which lab finding is expected? Okay, increase unconjugated bilirubin. So meaning the cause of the jaundice is not from the liver. Okay. So which feature differentiates psoriasis from eczema? Yes.
Doc, 454 po, hindi po ba B po?
Tama ako ng sinasabi, no? Nagkakamali lang ako ng type. Okay? Kasi naduduling ako dito. Group A strep monomicrobial. Then 57, A. Ay, tama ba? Tama. Okay. And nail changes such as pitting are typical of psoriasis. And which histological feature defines psoriasis? B. And 60, a patient develops transient raised itch lesions resolving in 24 hours. The diagnosis of pores. Okay, that's urticaria, your hives. Okay. Oh, ayun na. So, we're halfway done. Next. Wait na class Inom lang ako tubig. Taglit lang, mabilis lang. Kaninong section?
Tabi po yan, Dok.
B. Okay. Okay, dito, alam problema dito kasi ito yung pagkakasunod na. Okay? So this is 61. 61 mo ay A. 62 mo ay B. Okay. 63 mo ay C. 64 ay D. 65 mo ay E. Okay? Same here. Sorry. Ba't pala dito? ₱66 to ₱70, ganun din. Hindi ko na siya ginambol, no? 66, 67, 68, 70. Ngayon dito tayo magkakagulo. Basta sure ako na ang una mo dito ay itong bacteria convert conjugated bilirubin into stercobilinogen. Okay? Tapos itong pangalawa mo dito, pwedeng 74 or 75. Yung letter C, o pwedeng 75 or 74. Tapos letter D mo, pwedeng 73 or 72. Tapos ito, pwedeng 72, pwedeng 72. Okay? So dito tayo mag-focus. Para thyroid carcinoma, remember I asked you, kasi po pwede, for example, para thyroid carcinoma, po pwede kasing decrease calcium or increase calcium, pero po pwede rin siyang increase PTH or decrease PTH or normal. So ngayon, kung ang minemorize mo sa table, yung calcium lang, edi sagutan mo lang, mamimili ka lang ay A o B. Kung minemorize mo ay PTH lang, mamimili ka lang or C or D. Okay? Tapos, pero kung na-memorize mo lahat, mamili ka kung calcium sasagutin mo or PTH ang sasagutin mo. So for parathyroid carcinoma, that's either A or letter C. Metastatic carcinoma, that's letter A or letter E. Parathyroid carcinoma, that's either B or letter C. Multiple myeloma, that's either letter A or letter E. Then sarcoidosis, that's either A or letter E. Okay? This one, kung sasagot good viscosity, this is letter B. Gout, this is letter C. Low viscosity, this is letter AC. Low viscosity. Ang gulo kasi nito eh. Dali Low viscosity. Check ko kaya code ko kung dali Dami kasing low viscosity doon ako lumusan. Yan na. Basta A or C ito, o AC. Okay? Tapos WBC, this is B. The neutrophil, this is A. Kasi septic eh. Ay, sorry. More than 50%. Okay? Cloudy specimen, cloudy specimen, this is AB. Autoantibodies, this is A. Positive culture, this is D. Traumatic injury, this is E. And then neutrophil, more than 70%. Of course, this is, 70%, tama. Neutrophil, this C. May nakamiss ba ng quiz sa akin dito? Anyone? Kasi bukas ako magpapaquiz sa Manila, isasabay ko na. May nakamiss ng quiz sa akin dito, ABC. Anyway, mag-print naman ako ng questionnaire na. So yung mga may miss quiz, sabihan nyo na lang ako. Okay? Tapos sa post-task, sabihan nyo na lang din ako kung meron pa. Okay? Vancomycin. Mhm. So you have here a table of Aspiogenes and vancomycin Agalaxiae. Nag-bonus ako dito. Basta this is A. This is A. Agalaxiae, this is A, and this is B. Okay? PYR. Wala kasi. PYR in mouse virulence kasi class. Ang option mo dyan ay positive or negative. Wala naman sa choices. So if you answered A or B, I will consider it correct. Okay? Pero dito sa sulfamethoxazole, this is susceptible. This is A. And the resistant naman ang galaxy. So this is B. Okay. Picture. Next. Yes. Oh,
Sir, pwede po pa tingin po ulit nung Aspiogenes and
ito.
Agalactiae. Sir, hindi po ba resistant po yung Aspiogenes sa SMZ? Resistant po yata siya.
Sa
Sa SM.
sulfamethoxazole. Resistant na. This is B. Ang galaxy ay resistant also. So this is B. Next, this one. Sino na lang sasagot? Meron ba gustong sumagot? Hindi, ako na lang sasagot. Pero mag-start tayo dito sa isa. Pwede. Parang tostado yung utak ko ngayon. Itang, Leishman disease is an enzyme. Blah, blah, blah. Wala. The enzyme adenine. So this is false. Because the enzyme is HTPR2. The inheritance pattern of Leishman. This is true. Hyperuricemia in Leishman can manifest clinically as well. This is true. Leishman disease is typically diagnosed at birth. False. Laboratories carefully evaluate pediatric urine specimens for elevated urine perspective. Edit ko. Tama ba? Laboratories should carefully. True. Tama. Leishman disease results in from genetic defect that impairs the salvage pathway. Okay, Leishman disease. Leishman disease. True. Okay. What about this one? Sino gustong sumagot? S or use? Volunteer? Sige. Sandali. Para sure tayo. S aureus o catalase, lahat naman to, ano na ako. So sa prophyticus, epidermidis, and aureus, so lahat naman yan class I, positive, di ba? Tapos, coagulase sa kanila, ang coagulase sa kanila, ang negative, ang positive lang ay si aureus. So the rest ay negative. MSA growth, wala akong yellow, pero nagpalagay ako ng yellow dito. D, no? So, as aureus sa MSA ay yellow, so this is D. Then the rest ay pink. Okay. Next, this one. Okay. Anong 61 natin? The liver conjugates converted. Heme is released. So this is 61. Heme is released from hemoglobin. Sorry, mali. Mali agad. Ito pala. RBCs are broken down in the spleen, 61. Pag na-broken down sila, marirelease si heme. And then, heme, nako-convert Tapos to bilirubin. Bilirubin is, remember, it's not soluble in water. So therefore, it will bind to albumin. So 64. And then pag nasa liver na, it will be conjugated. Okay? Next, this one. A small portion of a small portion of stercobilinogen is reabsorbed into the bloodstream. Okay? Intestine converts bilirubin into stercobilinogen. Aha. Siyempre, conversion muna. So this is 66. So may stercobilinogen ka na. Ay, sorry. Most stercobilinogen. Tama. Tapos ito, 67. 60. 69. 7. Bakit? Ulitin natin. Intestine converts bilirubin to stercobilinogen. Lahat ng 5 sentences mo, stercobilinogen. So within sa limang to, ito yung nagsasabi na na-convert mo na si bilirubin into stercobilinogen. So now, meron ka ng stercobilinogen, anong mangyayari? It will continue in the intestine. Okay? And when that happens, intestine, ang main function niya is what? The absorption of your fluids. So that will even include your stercobilinogen, and then a small portion of stercobilinogen is reabsorbed into the bloodstream. Kapag nasa bloodstream na, wala na tayo sa intestine. Okay? So all of the liquids in the bloodstream will be filtered into the kidney, and in the kidneys will modify stercobilinogen into urobilinogen, and then your urobilinogen will be excreted in the urine. Okay? Dito, RBC destruction liberates, okay? Hemoglobin, heme is turned into unconjugated bilirubin, 72. Identity, conjugation. 74. 70. Okay? So this one. Plus, sorry, nag-extend tayo. Ibali, review nyo na to. Okay? Tapos yung sinabi nyo, so wag na kayo magpakapuyat mamayang gabi. Ngayong gabi. No? So yung mga pointers ko, yun na lang yung yung aralin ninyo sa itong sinasagutan natin. Hindi, syempre, mag-aral pa din, class. No? Mag-aral pa din. Pero at least meron na kayong kung saan iikot yung mga tanong. Okay? So ito, increase calcium phosphate and excretion in kidneys. Diyos ko, hindi nagbabaga yung utak ko. Anyway, sige, ito muna yung mga madadali lang muna. Bone resorption. So this is parathyroid hormone. Okay? Parathyroid hormone. Tapos, increase. Ito ko na lang. No effect on bone. Active vitamin D. Your cholecalciferol. Bone build up or ano. So this is calcitonin. So here, increased calcium and phosphate excretion in the kidneys. So kidneys, you have increased calcium and phosphate excretion. So this is calcitonin. A decreased calcium and phosphate absorption in the gut. Okay, decreased calcium and phosphate absorption. So again, this is calcitonin. Okay, and then increased calcium and phosphate absorption in GIT. Ang sabi dito, increased calcium and phosphate absorption in the GIT. Para thyroid. Okay. Net effect, increased calcium and decreased phosphate. Para thyroid again. Net effect, decreased calcium and phosphate. Calcitonin. Net effect, increased calcium and phosphate. Vitamin D. Cholecalciferol. Then you have your increased calcium and phosphate reabsorption in the kidneys. Increased calcium and phosphate reabsorption. So cholecalciferol. Parang may kulang ako sa sagot ko. Ayan. Thyroid and cholecalciferol. Okay. I-review ko to pero right now, paki-check na ng sagot. Paki-screenshot. Okay. Yes, Miss Pinette.
Sir, yung 95 po, pwede din po ba yung letter C po?
C. Alam ko meron
PTH
na,
and
alam ko meron na ako isa dapat na 95.
PTH and cholecalciferol.
Cholecalciferol. Basta sabi, increased calcium and phosphate absorption in the gut. Tama. So, A and C, no? So this is D. Ano pa? Wala na. Class, tulungan niyo naman ako. Ako yung
Yung
medyo
9
sabaw na.
sir.
Okay. Ano yung
Letter B
Nine-
po yung 91 po.
91? B, increased calcium in the kidney. Kasi ito. Increased calcium and phosphate excretion in the kidney. Oo, tama. Correct. Ano pa? Wala na? No. Okay, sige. Next. The last one. Ay, sorry. Anong section ito? itong ano natin. This is 2.
Si po, sir.
And this one, last one na class, last one na. Bear with me. Okay. Set 3. Kaninong section? Ay, sorry. Kaninong section tong set 3 to 8? Ano ba?
A po.
A. Tama. Okay. So which describes pathophysiology most accurately? So this is A. And which is the most common cause of hypoxia? This is B. Which cell adaptation is pre-malignant and partial reversible? E. Which necrosis type is seen in brain infarcts? So this is liquefactive. This is A. Which feature best differentiates necrosis from apoptosis? Ito na naman ako. Sagot ko dito D inflammatory response. But if you have any answer na pwede kong i-consider, okay? Stelling. So a 23-year-old develops fever after bacterial infection, which centipirogen? Which cells dominate the chronic? Again, hindi ko sinabi na may macrophage, pero yung lymphocyte nasa isang ano sila, no? Option sila. So this is C. So which outcome is not typical of acute inflammation? Oncogenesis, syempre. Hindi ka magkaka-cancer sa gout, magkaka-cancer sa... It's oncogenesis is cancer formation kasi. So which type of cell is incapable of regeneration after myocardial infarction? So this again is a permanent cell. Okay. So which tissue is formed during the healing process? So this is B, granulation tissue. Which growth factor promotes angiogenesis? 11. B, your vascular endothelial growth factor. Which line of defense includes NK cells and phagocytes? Second line. Which granulocyte acts as kamikaze cell? So this is neutrophil. So which innate immune protein directly neutralizes viruses? So this is, of course, innate immune protein. So these are your interferons. Pwede ba cytokines, class? Pwede ba complement? Innate? Actually, pwede. Antibodies lang hindi. Okay, so directly neutralizes pala. So these are interferons. Okay? Tapos, which adaptive immune response involves antibodies? So this is a humoral. Which adaptive immune cell induces apoptosis? This is cytotoxic. Which adaptive immune feature ensures systemic action? Is 17. This is A. 18. Which describes virulence? C. Number 19. Which immune system property ensures stronger secondary immune response? So 19 is actually memory. 20. Which type of cell is most important in oxidation? 20. So this is dog. 21. Fracture with multiple fragments. 21. This is comminuted. C. Complication of compartment syndrome. Rush syndrome. Acute gout treatment, acute gout treatment. So this is colchicine. This is D. So arthritis, common in men more than 45 years old. So this is gout. Okay. Autoimmune arthritis, RA. B. 26. OA blood tests are normal. Okay. The clinical hallmark of your rheumatoid arthritis is what? Mhm. E. So RA versus OA, E also, the spinous formation. 29, septic arthritis commonly affects your B. Osteoporosis complication causing Cauda-Equina syndrome. So this is vertebral compression fracture. And G score is used for male age 40. Pediatric osteomyelitis are caused by, mali naman yung tanong, caused by your H influenza. So gonococcal septic arthritis, the drug is ceftriaxone. Okay. And then 34 to 35, 36, 34 onwards. Wait lang. Gout synovial fluid crystal. So this is A. MSU. 35 synovial fluid abnormal in RA. Protein elevated. And then CPPD crystals are associated with degenerative. Okay. Hyaluronic acid in synovial fluid provides A. 38 risk factors for osteoporosis. B or C ito. 39, which is not an osteoporotic drug, colchicine E. So abnormal cell in RA syndrome, syndrome in synovial fluid, this is your rhagocytes, letter D. Which fungi are most responsible for dermatophytosis? A. Trigophyton, Microsporidium, and Epidermophyton. 35-year-old male with scaly erythematous patch on the inner thigh. 43. Which features distinguishes cutaneous candidiasis? B. 44. Pityriasis versicolor is caused by, ano pa ba? Edema anesthesia for 4. Ay, sorry. Pityriasis versicolor. Candida class, no? Okay, tama. Candida. A patient with nocturnal itching and Barrett's. Bakit ko siya nakalimutan? My God. So for 45, a patient with nocturnal itching and Barrett's between fingers likely has scabies. '46, pediculosis corporis differs from pediculosis capitis that lice live in clothing and feed on body. 47, common warts, verruca vulgaris caused by, of course, your HPV. A college student presents with recurrent painful groove vesicles on the lips, which is B1. And which virus is responsible for chickenpox? Or zoster. 50. Impetigo, caused by Streptococcus pyogenes. Pyogenes daw. Hindi non-bolus. Okay. Cluster of boils forming a larger lesion is termed carbuncle. And cellulitis in children is commonly caused by your Haemophilus influenza type. Necrotizing fasciitis caused by a single pathogen, type 2, is most commonly due to gas, group A. Gas gangrene often occurs after trauma, syempre. So the toxic tissue destruction of gas gangrene is due to Clostridial toxins. So Hansen's disease has two main forms: tuberculoid and lepromatosis. Tama. So prehepatic jaundice is most often caused by hemolysis. And which pigment gives stool its brown color? A. And patient with erythematous plaques and nail pitting. Erythematous plaques and nail pitting. What's your answer here, class? Depends. Okay. And urticaria is best defined as transient wheals due to mast cell histamine release. Right? Sure. Yes.
Sir, dun po sa, Z-score, hindi po ba pwede yung childbearing dun po? Kasi premenopausal pa naman po, sir.
Anong number siya?
Ay, wait lang, sir. Nakalimutan ko din.
Z-score.
31 po. Yung 31 po.
Sagot ko din. Z-score is used for.
Hindi po ba counted yung childbearing po? Kasi premenopausal po sila.
Pwede. Is. Picture. Meron pa. Okay. Next. Let me just check. This is 2A, 2C, 2B, 2C, 2A, 2B. So ang 2A ay ito. 2B. Okay. Para 2B, 2B, 2C, and 2C, 2C, 2A, 2A. Thank you, class. Thank you for your time. Oh, kasi ako yung nahihilo na rin talaga. Sige. So bukas, sinabi ko na ano no, so yung class yung Epstein Barr paki-memorize, yung table paki-memorize. Meron akong table ng others sa video. Yung ibang classmate ko na notes yun. Okay? So tomorrow, magagaling pa ako ng Manila. So, may mga pasaway, 8 to, may minute ka ng 8 to 10. So, mag-aangkas ako. Baka mga 10:30 ang makadating. Kami ni Nadia yung magbibigay ng exam test next month. Seating arrangement, Mr. Valera, kami, ako lang bahala. I-jumble-jumble ko yun, ha? O sige, magpahinga na. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you po.
Thank you.
Thank you po, sir. Hey, sir, thank you.
Thank you.